So I'm working on the 95 Ford Ranger tailgate here. And it actually functions. That's the release for the tailgate. So you take off this panel here, Torx bits, and like I said, everything works like it's supposed to. But I'm gonna replace this over here like I did over here. This side broke, and this plastic piece just came apart, and instead of waiting for it to fail like the other one did, I guess I'm just going to go ahead and rip this apart and fix it. So it's pretty simple. It's cost me about 5 cents to fix the thing. You take a bolt, I think it's like a 1/4 inch bolt, and it's the head up here. Now you take a nut that'll thread onto this rod, and what I've done is brazed it together, okay? And then put the bolt down into the hole there, and actually you thread this nut on first. Thread the bolt and nut brazed assembly on here first, and you stick it down in the hole in here, and you put a bolt, or you put a nut and a washer on the back side, and that's it. You can adjust it till it's the way you want it, and you're all done. But I guess you could weld this on, but I brazed it because that's I thought it'd be better. I didn't need as much heat that way, and you know, I can braze, so yeah. So anyway, this is just a shitty little plastic clip over another plastic clip, and I don't even know what they cost in the store. I guess you can buy them, but it's just, I don't know, it's just garbage in my opinion. They slammed it together, snapped the clip down on there, and yeah, that was it. It was just easy, I suppose. But I have replaced this, the plastic handle on the back side here. I've replaced that as well. But this is just one of those things. I know it's going to break. The truck's almost 20 years old, so I know it's going to break, and it's time to take it out and replace it. But that was my repair for the other side, and it's, like I said, you know, I had the nuts and bolts. So I suppose if you was to technically add it all up, you think you could repair the thing for less than $1. And I believe that this is a lot stronger than that. Brazing is an enormous amount of strength, so much more than this plastic here. So anyways, that's my fancy repair job. Alright, so this is my repair for the opposite side. Again, it's a bolt and a nut and a nut, and it's just brazed on there. And sometimes you might get a little bit in the threads there. You want to try and avoid that. But it's another reason why I love having oxygen acetylene, able to do something simple like that. So that is going to replace this. This is what has threads in it and pops onto that rod, so it goes in there like this, and then you just snap it around the rod. But yeah, my other one broke. Half of this piece came out, and so I fixed it. And so anyway, this will go on the rod. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but just, you get the idea here. And you're going to go ahead and put this down and use 2 hands. But you thread this onto here, adjust it correctly, and then put the nut on the back side. And wouldn't hurt to have a lock washer, I guess. And then, yeah, you're good to go. 2 nuts and a bolt and a little brazing rod here. Anyway, there's the brazed nut and bolt set up there, and they work. Got nice action on the sides here. Got everything all lubed up, and nice and cheap. Nice cheap repair. But stronger than you could probably use to buy the original pieces. It's probably still stronger than that, I'd say.